Hello dear students, good morning, namaskar. Myself Dr. Anu Gopinath. I am working as a professor in chemical oceanography and head of the Department of Aquatic Environment Management, Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies, Kochi, Kerala. So, I am here to introduce you about the new course, that is Environmental Monitoring and Instrumentation, as per the new UGC call for the development of MOOC course under the SWAYAM platform. So, this is my second MOOC course that I am trying to develop for UGC. The first MOOC course which was developed by me was in 2024, and it was related to understanding the Arctic climate and the need for environmental protection. So, we have successfully completed 2 cycles of this course. The first cycle was launched in July 2024 and the second cycle, which is completed very recently in April 2025, and the third cycle is also now open for registration. So, I was one among the 4 faculty members who have been selected all over India as per the call for proposal to develop MOOC course on India's Arctic policy under different titles. So, I was selected to develop this course on Arctic policy, and I could successfully develop this course, and I am also happy to share the news that this course was listed among the top 100 courses by the Class Central platform in September 2024. So, I thank UGC and Ministry of Earth Science and PMO for giving me an opportunity to develop this course on Arctic policy. So, one of the reasons for selecting me for this particular course development was that I am collaborating with India's Arctic, Antarctic and Southern Ocean expeditions, and I have participated in Indian Arctic expedition 3 times, and I was also the leader of the 2017 summer batch of Indian expedition to Arctic. So, coming to this particular course which I am going to develop as per this current call is that environmental monitoring and instrumentation. So, this is a 4 credit course and it will have a duration of 15 weeks, and as per the national credit framework level. So, I have designed this course in such a way that it will have the credit level 6.5. So, you can also opt it for UG with honors or UG with research, and also you can also opt for the first year of this masters as per the new new education policy of Government of India. And coming to my key research interest areas, I am focusing on the distribution of heavy metals, the biogeochemical aspects, emerging contaminants including microplastics, nanoplastics, and also working on persistent organic pollutants including a variety of classes of pesticides from different aquatic environment. I have already authored 13 books for the various academic programs of Mahatma Gandhi University as well as Kannur University of Kerala, and some of the books include environmental studies, environmental chemistries, environmental ecology and human rights, in addition to many other subject books related to theoretical chemistry, analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and methodology of chemistry. Coming to the objectives of this particular course which I am trying to develop for this environmental monitoring and instrumentation. So, as part of the introductory part of this course, I am trying to give you some idea about the interdisciplinary nature of environmental science, some of the basic concepts in environmental science. As we all know, what about ecosystems, natural resources, biodiversity, what are the current challenges in biodiversity, the climate change, the climate action, sustainable development goals, SDGs, and what are the climate change issues which is happening globally, and how the global climate change issues are going to affect the lower latitude regions, especially the tropical regions also. And in addition to that, I am also going to focus on the sustainable development goals with special focus on environmental rules and regulations, various treaties related to environmental related issues, and also some of the common practices that we need to adopt for this sustainable environmental practices. So, I am just trying to convert this 40 module course into the first half, maybe the 3/4 of this particular course will be mainly devoted to the theoretical aspect related to environmental monitoring, then environmental issues, the basic things related to environment, rules, regulations, SDGs, etc., etc. And the 1/4 of this particular course I am planning to focus mainly on instrumentation. This course has a special focus on instrumentation which we can use for this environmental monitoring technique. So, in addition to that, I am also trying to give you an idea about the use of this GIS, that is GIS technique, and also this remote sensing techniques in environmental data management. So, how we can use these techniques to monitor our environment, especially in the field of environmental monitoring related to the natural hazards. And also we are trying to introduce some more modules related to the use of artificial intelligence in environmental monitoring, and also in the concepts related to biodiversity and other important things related to this environmental monitoring. So, I hope that this 40 module course, that is 4 credit 15 weeks duration course, will be a complete package for those who are opting for this environmental science as part of their discipline specific course or as part of their elective course. Whatever be your priority, that will be a complete package, and that I am here to assure you that this course will cover up all the important things related to the environmental science syllabus of this Indian universities. So, I hope that you will have a wonderful learning with this particular course, and as part of this course I am here to guide you through this online modules. Every Sunday we are going to have online interaction with our students, and we are going to have an internal assessment which will carry 30% mark and external assessment which will carry 70% mark. Internal assessment is completely based on assignments, then online quizzes, like that. Since this is a course related to environmental science, we will have case studies as part of our assignment. I will always motivate you to come up with case studies pertaining to your area, the environmental issues of the area from where the student is coming to learn from for this particular course. And the 70% external is as per the rules and regulations which are set by NTA. As part of the first course that I have done for this Arctic studies, I am also happy to share with you the news that I could organize a workshop for the course participants. See, I had around more than 2000 participants for this particular course. So, from the first cycle of this course, I have selected 35 students all over India who did their best in the internal evaluation of that particular course, and I brought in all those students to Kochi, and I organized a workshop for them in association with National Center for Polar and Ocean Research, who is leading the Arctic and Antarctic expeditions from India. So, those students, they got an opportunity to interact with the scientists working in different fields of Arctic. So, that I would try to project you as one of the major achievements of the first MOOC course which have been developed by UGC, developed by me for this UGC SOIM platform. So, thank you all once again for listening to me. I hope that you will have a wonderful learning with me as part of this course if I am selected to develop this particular course for this UGC SOIM platform. So, thank you, have a good day, good luck, namaskar.